Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.